I am now recording.
Don't record yet, I'm not even strapped in.
It's fine. It's cool. Ladies and gentlemen, we got about like 4 feet of snow. Josh Payton is about to snowboard from his second floor out to the snow. He's strapping himself in. We're gonna see how this goes. Here he goes. Well, not yet. We'll let you know when he's ready.
Yeah, thanks, bro.
Oh, Payton just hit the door.
Get right into the door.
Well, I can't move.
Well,
Somebody hit that door. Seriously, someone hit that. I'm like stuck in the snow. Like I'm legit stuck in the snow here. Like look how much snow is out here. Just hold it until you get like.
Tell me when you go until you fucking move.
so bad.
I fell.
Phil!
You didn't even hit me and I fell.
I made it all the way down. Alright, let's try it again.
Hold on, wait a second.
Dude, there's fucking like 18 feet.
Hey, can you? Oh no, you got a snowboard. How am I gonna get up?
Head.
I'm gonna have to pause.
What do you mean, how are you gonna get up? I can't.